Welcome to another story from Miss Sherry's Kids Book Club. Today's book is called The Wonders of Summer by Keely Connor Loaning, illustrated by Laura Look. This book was written by the author for her daughter. Her daughter was her inspiration for the book, and it talks about all the fun things that she loves to do in summertime with her family. Let's get into the book. A daddy told his girl, "Get ready for some fun." What wonders they would find, for summer had begun. Look at all the beautiful butterflies. They loved to go outside with many games to play. Wow, so they played the beach ball, they played tennis, they played soccer, football, baseball, basketball. Wow, lots of different games they played. They smelled the roses, too. They liked each summer day. Both barefoot in the grass, he swung her through the air. The girl rolled down the hill, then grass was in her hair. The summer breeze she felt was warm across her face. Oh, looks like they're at the beach, my favorite place. Her daddy said, "Let's run. I'll beat you in a race." And in a flowered field, they giggled, then fell down. Then picked some daisies, too. Then Dad made her a crown. How beautiful. They took a picnic lunch and found the perfect spot. They looked for shapes in clouds, imagining a lot. Looks like they see an elephant, a giraffe, a bear, and looks like a dinosaur. The river flowed nearby. They waited for a while. It felt so good and cold. The water made them smile. "Oh, you're my funny dad, and you're my silly girl." They ate some ice cream cones. He helped her dance and twirl. The sun was high and hot. They wanted to get cool. "Oh, look at me. I'm brave." She jumped right in the pool. They all set up a stand to sell some drinks and treats. Some friends were there to help with lemonade and sweets. The day turned into night. They didn't say a word. The moon was shining bright, and cricket chirps they heard. They caught some fireflies and put them in a jar. Then looking to the sky, they wished upon a star. Wow, this was an awesome day. The little girl was tired. She had to go to sleep with kisses, hugs, and love, and summer dreams to keep.
Thank you for visiting my mom's channel. Like and subscribe.